Wildlife Ranching South Africa is the foremost entity of the uniquely South African agro-sustainable wildlife economy. South Africa ranks as the third most biodiverse country in the world. Through the work of pioneering ranchers passionate about our wild heritage, private game ranchers have achieved many successes in the restoration and rejuvenation of the country's wild spaces. We represent the private game ranchers of South Africa who, through responsible management and sustainable use, enhances and safeguards the functioning of ecosystems, genetic integrity of species, and the biodiversity of South Africa. Marginal land, including land that is unsuitable for crop or livestock farming, is continually being rewilded through the intense intervention of game ranchers to produce wildlife that is regenerative, self-sustaining, and economically beneficial in many different ways to the prosperity of South Africa, such as contributing more than 100,000 jobs and food security across the value chain. Today, private wildlife ranchers in South Africa have 3 times more game than all the protected areas combined. When wildlife on private ranches is included in the animal census, South Africa has more animals than any other African country. By this measure, no indigenous African animal is at risk of extinction within our borders. This proudly South African game ranching model has been proven time and again to be the best at securing a successful and sustainable future for wildlife on the continent. Wildlife ranching not only keeps South Africa beautiful and bountiful, but contributes meaningfully to the conservation of land, plants, and animals. Wildlife ranching is inextricably part of the circle of life. It is our passion, our heritage, our game.